Hey everybody, it is Saturday and I was going to go to this cute flea market yesterday, but I was too tired. I was way too tired. So today we're gonna hit this Farm Girl flea market in Hudsonville, Michigan. Come on along, we're gonna have some fun. Ooh, we are here. I'm super excited. Look at these cute little campers. Oh, this is gonna be the best day ever.
Sometimes you just gotta see. Oh, look at the map.
Oh my word. Just really gotta see how much it is. Sorry.
Look how cute this is. Isn't that cute? That's adorable, especially if you knew who that was. It's like an instant little family, right?
Like a shell box.
Yeah, it's cute. What is that? What is that?
Wood spool. Wood spool. Must have been something on here.
Okay.
Thread or something.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, look at it. They made skirts out of. Out of
I've never seen that, so many different colored pumpkins.
Look at it's my birthday. The tag's on it. Goodies, huh? I like these tins. These old tins are pretty
That's on
cool.
the ceiling.
Yeah, aren't they cool though? That's neat. It's got all kinds of goodies here. Lined it all up. Got all rakes. That's pretty smart how he did that. I like those. I like these. That is actually really cute in a scary kind of way. Look at that. I like how they did this. These are cute.
I like that one.
This is cute. It's really cute. Well, it's cute for fall, right?
They're based out of the Toledo area, just under Michigan.
Live, just shoot over
the area.
Right? It's cute though. Wow. I think I might have these. I might. It's an old Stanley. Look at this thing. Oh, that's cool. Cute little things. That's adorable. What else I got over on the other side? Oh, look at the cute little baby shoes. Isn't that cute? The 50s. That's adorable.
It's like they're never worn.
Yeah, right? They do look cute. A shell lamp. That's probably pretty. I love this Corningware.
Okay.
That's a really good deal. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's heavy. That'd look cute in my kitchen.
I think it's 15.
50?
Oh, I thought it was 10 cents.
No, it's not 10 cents. It's not. What's that? How cute that is. They just took an old picture and then painted some ghosts on it. They're cute? Really cute. What's that?
A flickering light bulb.
That is cool. I wonder if I can get some of those. I have some like candle stick holders. I assume it's just a battery, right?
Well, just distill water and stuff. Boil it.
Oh, yeah. Very cool. This is pretty. Look at this, honey. Like, it's actual coral. We got jade and Mexican bracelet. Pretty. That's cute. Sorry. Those are kind of cute. See? John. Those are kind of cute. These are 12. Wow, that's cute. These are cute too. Well, that was definitely fun. Got to look at a lot of cool stuff, you know, things that people make, which is really interesting for the season. I like this kind of crafty, artsy, antique-y kind of places. So, okay, and here we're stopping for some nice lunch at Anna's house in Granville, Michigan. Look how cute this place is. It's adorable. It's always super cute inside. They've got really good food, especially if you're a vegetarian. They have options. Ooh, they have a vegan Southwest eggs Benedict. That looks wonderful.
Yep.
Okay, breakfast. Eggs. Looks like you got a little bit of everything, and you got pancakes coming too,
Yep.
right?
Pancakes.
And I got the vegan eggs Benedict. Cooked extra.
Thank you.
What do you call it? Cooked extra well? Well done?
Extra hard.
Extra hard eggs? I don't know. They're not runny, put it that way. So it looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in. And there's your pancakes. Ooh, it's getting cold out at night in Michigan. The water looks nice. The leaves are starting to turn. Hey, Susan! I put this owl up to keep all the birds off the dock, but that is not helping. There's spiders. Now this thing is working pretty good, minus the spiders, but this works really well for kayaking, if you can keep the spiders out. Beautiful day. If I didn't have the dog, I think I'd go for a little ride. Well, I'm coming down the trail to pick some of my vegetables, and I just want to cry. Look at what's happened. Oh no. Now, this tree was kind of dead. It was here. Oh shoot, I should have chopped this down. It's kind of my fault. This one is surviving yet, but it looks like we had a big storm and I don't know. This is oh boy, I don't know. So disappointing. My gate's right there, so there's no way for me to get over. Hopefully it didn't ruin my car. I'm just want to cry. There's my Stanley mug I left out here. I was gonna come out here and get. Oh shoot. Well, this last 24 hours has been difficult. I guess everything isn't happy unicorns though, right? This is what you call life. This is life.